This video shows how to replace the fan guard on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing the fan guard, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the fan guard, you must first remove the cover and the fans. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove the fans, while holding the latch, pull the fan handle to disengage it from the guiding pin, and then lift to release the fan handle. Next, disconnect the fan cable from the system board. Lift the fan module out of the fan cage and away from the system. Repeat this process for the other fans. To remove the fan guard, remove the single screw securing it to the system board. Then, lift the fan guard up and away from the chassis. To install the fan guard, align it with the connector cover and lower it into place. Then replace the screw to secure it. To replace the fans, lower the fan into the fan cage until it clicks into place and connect the fan cable to the system board. Repeat this process for the other fans. Route the fan cables so they don't get crimped or damaged. Pull the blue latch on the side of the fan module. While holding the blue latch, rotate the fan handle and then push it to engage the guide pin. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.